Hello traders, let's analyze the market together. Outlook for today. We witnessed strong buying pressure yesterday. I am expecting a significant gap-up opening today driven by President Trump's decision to reduce tariffs on Indian goods from 25% to 18%. However, after such a massive gap-up, the market often consolidates and goes nowhere. Since today is also the Nifty expiry, I will be cautious. If the market confirms a bearish pattern, I will consider shorting. Otherwise, I plan to remain on the sidelines, be a spectator for today. Support and resistance. 25,500. Previously a strong resistance and supply zone, but since the market is set to open above this, the 26,000 psychological level comes into play. 25,000, good support. 24,800, strong support. Global news and economic data. Japan, the Nikkei 225 dropped 1.82% on Monday to close at 52,655 and ain't, though it remains up nearly 40% year over year. Europe, the Euro Stoxx 50 climbed 1.0% to finish at 6,751 on February 2nd. Upcoming central bank meetings, the Reserve Bank of India's RBI Monetary Policy Committee, MPC, meets from February 4th to 6th, with experts predicting a status quo on interest rates. Domestic events. India-U.S. trade deal. Prime Minister Modi and U.S. President Trump announced a massive trade deal late Monday. U.S. tariffs on Indian goods are expected to drop from 25% to 18%. Gift Nifty surge. Overnight trade saw the Gift Nifty skyrocket by over 600 points, signaling a massive gap-up opening for the Nifty 50 today. F&O short squeeze. Analysts expect a major short squeeze as foreign investors holding bearish positions post-budget may rush to cover. RBI MPC meeting, the three-day meeting begins tomorrow, February 4th. Most economists expect the RBI to hold the repo rate at 5.25% following cumulative cuts of 125 bps in 2025. Budget aftershocks. Markets are still digesting the Securities Transaction Tax (STT) hike on derivatives increased to 0.5% for futures, announced on February 1st. Trading scenarios for today. Gap up strategy. If the market opens with a gap up, I will wait for a bearish pattern formation to initiate a short position, aiming for a gap fill. Long side caution. Despite the positive cues, taking a long position, call side, immediately after such a large gap up is too risky. Note, since a gap up is virtually guaranteed due to the trade deal news, I'm not providing scenarios for a flat or gap down opening today. Comment below or DM me for precise free live market levels.